Hi, my name is Phil Taylor and I'm the designer of the Pointsman. The Pointsman is a redesigned ergonomic pointing hook which has been designed specifically for pointing brickwork, patio slabs, and it also can be used for doing general making good, anything to do with mortar, applying to walls, etc. The two features of the product is, first of all, is the top. The top's design is a flat linear plate where you apply your mortar onto it with a raised lip, which is your working lip, which allows you to control the amount of material that you're actually sticking into the cavity of the wall. You apply it close to the wall like so, and you move your material up into the cavity, which allows you to leave a nice clean finish, and it will allow you to work much quicker at the areas that you're working on. The second feature, and one of the main features, is obviously the handle. The handle design is at 60 degrees, which is a much more natural way of holding a hook, other than when you see conventional hooks that are at 45 degrees, which you hold like that and put a lot of strain onto your wrist, your elbow and your forearm. So when you're holding it, it's much more natural, and you can control the hook much better as well, whatever height you're working on. Whether you're going to be working at a high level above your head, you just move it back like that. If you're going level, you just hold it like that. And when you're working down, as you go down the brickwork, you just twist it slightly, so you're still seeing the edge, the working edge, the whole time, which then allows you to control your material whatever level that you're working at. It's also ambidextrous, so you can either use it left-handed or right-handed and still achieve the same style of work and with a clean finish. Right, what I'm going to do now is give you a quick demonstration on how to use the Pointsman. And what we're going to use is the small one, which is the 170 by 235. It's an ideal one for me to show you how to use the Pointsman. First of all, you put your material on top of the hook, as so, which is your sand and cement. And first of all, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the perks. Now, it's conventional, like a conventional hook or any other way. You would hold the hook in your hand like so, and you would take your trowel. And this particular demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use a small flat trowel. You take a bit of material onto your hook, onto your trowel as so. Put your hook there and apply the material to it. So you do all your perks first. Don't worry too much about the little bits that overhang the side. You can trim that off a bit later on when it dries off a little bit. So you do all your perks. As so. Next, we're going to do what I'm going to show you is a weather struck finish. So take the hook, so you're holding it like this in your hand, so you're holding the hook handle quite a way down like so. Place the hook against the brickwork just below the mortar line, and taking your trowel, you just push your material straight up the ridge into up the lip, straight into the cavity. As you can see, there's a little bit of overhang on the material, which we'll cut off in a minute. The next tool I'm going to use is a bucket handle. The bucket handle is a trowel that's slightly curved at both ends. It's got a small size and a large size, and you do exactly the same as you did with the flat trowel. Push the hook against the brickwork, taking the trowel and material, and just pushing it straight up the lip into the cavity. As you can see, it's quite simple to use, and then all you do, once you've done put the material in place, you can trim off your edges. excess bit that's on the edge of your brickwork. You can use the edge of the trowel, the fork, just trim up, or you can just trim it off like so. And this one you just give it a little scrape along like that, so you can finish off. This also you can use, so as you go down the wall, you just turn it an edge like so, and we're going to use the flat trowel again there, and you just apply the material as you're going on. How you use the pointsman. The pointsman comes in 3 different sizes. The first one is a 170 by 235, which is a nice tidy little piece of kit that's ideal for doing all your pointing, different styles of pointing and your perks, and lots of little making good jobs. It's a nice little piece of kit to just chuck in your tool bag when you finish with it as well. But it's ideal to cover probably sort of DIY and builders, general builders would want to have this one in their tool bag. The middle one, which is the 170 by 300, it's a slightly more professional type. It allows you to put a little bit more material on top of the hulk, and which allows you to do that much more area at a time, so you don't have to keep kneeling down and putting more onto the top of the plate. The third one, which is the 500 by 170, which is a real professional piece of kit. This one not only allows you to do the pointing, but it also allows you to use it for striking the line as you go along. So you don't need to have that piece of wood that you would stick on to strike the line after you finished your pointing. So again, you put it against the brickwork, and then once you finish, you just run your towel along the edge like that, and it leaves you a nice clean edge. All the details of prices and where to get them on will be in the description at the bottom of the video. Thanks for watching our video, and hope that it gives you an inspiration to get out there, do your pointing.